does Ressio track and report the daily progress on the specific milestones like the framing, electrical, plumbing, etc.?
Where Ressio distinguishes itself in this space as a newer product is one, being the most user friendly, but also two, being the most innovative. So, what I'm looking at here is the Ressio portal. I am playing the role of a general contractor, and I've actually treated Stephanie in this case like my homeowner. And so, what I'm looking at on the left hand side, upper half, we can see Stephanie Brown's home. And down below, I have all of the project level navigation. And on the bottom part here, I have all of the company level navigation. So, all my projects, my resources, my time frame, my company settings, and so forth. And right now, I'm on the estimate, but I'm going to go focus our conversation based on Stephanie's question over on the schedule, right? This is where we are going to track the heartbeat of the project and understand how much progress we're making through milestones on the job. Now, over on the left-hand side here, we are going to see a list of phases and tasks. So we'll have the design engineering phase, excavation and foundation, completion and inspection, rough structure, full enclosure, and so forth. And this functions a lot like a checklist or a spreadsheet where I can go in and directly update percent completion. I can adjust start date, finish date, duration. I can see the status of each task. I can create predecessors and successors, which I'll hit on later. Now, as someone with a project management background, I love to look at the Gantt chart and understand how is this project progressing from start to finish in a visual format. So I can see at the beginning here over on the left-hand side, right? I've got my site staking and survey. I've got my excavation and foundation, and I'm going to be able to make adjustments to the schedule directly on this Gantt chart. So I can drag and adjust my bars and move things around. So all of this makes it really easy in Ressio to build a schedule. Okay, how am I going to track progress on specific milestones like framing, electrical, and plumbing? I can navigate down to those tasks specifically here within Ressio. So I can see under 4.17, rough plumbing inspection. I'll click on it. The Gantt chart will also follow to that task, and I'll mark this as 100% complete once I know it's done. Or I'll go to the top. I can search for framing. I can see my framing inspection in this case, and I can also mark that 100% complete here. This will update the task and the associated status of that task.